Hi, here's Poppy. She's going to help me demonstrate how to make raisin rolls with children. Now I have set up here some warm water, yeast, and sugar. And then the next sort of station or part of the project has flour, butter, salt, and raisins, a bowl, a spoon for stirring it, and a muffin tin. If I were doing this with a toddler, I probably would have already mixed the sugar, yeast, and water together and let it sit for about 10 minutes to proof. Then I would take the water yeast mixture and have it set up here so that the toddler could just mix everything together. And I would have this somewhere else that they could butter if they wanted, but set apart so that they knew that this was the only thing they were doing. But we're doing this maybe a little more for 2.5, 3-year-old, or even a 7-year-old. I think if I really was setting this up for Poppy, I would have her measure all the ingredients herself. But for a younger child, it's nice to set it up like this and to do it exactly like this every single time. So the point of this cooking project is you would do the same one over and over until the child recognizes exactly how it works and can do it independently. So Poppy's going to do it independently with a little bit of a lesson from me. This is a lesson you would give the child the first time that you did it, and maybe step in whenever they needed it every time after that. So you try to set up all the ingredients left to right and already measured so it's obvious how to do it. Okay, Poppy, you can start. Come on over here. Oh, and this is the recipe here. Okay. So Poppy, I have warm water, yeast, and sugar. So put the yeast and the sugar into the warm water. Good. And stir them together with the whisk. That's called a whisk. Great. Now, Poppy, we're going to go set the timer. We can use the timer on our oven. I'm going to come over here and set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay. Now, Poppy, you can go read a book. There, Poppy's going to read a book until the timer goes off.